SDK.finance. For database migrations, the SDK.finance Core Application uses Flyway. Flyway is an open-source database migration tool that helps manage database schema changes in a structured and version-controlled way. There are Flyway configurations in the application.yaml file. There is a module-based migration where the database migration process is defined. The class Flyway configuration component represents a Flyway configuration component that encapsulates the dependencies, Flyway's fluent configuration, and the associated configuration class. This component is used to manage Flyway migrations by wrapping configuration details and related dependencies for a specific migration setup. The class generic Flyway config serves as the base model for defining Flyway's configuration options, such as target table name, migration script's location, and baseline version. The bin SDK Flyway migration strategy ensures that migration configurations are executed in the correct order based on their dependencies. Abstract Flyway configuration is an abstract base class for configuring Flyway database migrations in a Spring Boot application. This class provides reusable methods to configure Flyway behaviors and define migration dependencies between different Flyway configurations. Subclasses should extend this class to provide module-specific Flyway configuration and migration logic. Each service module may have migration scripts and configurations for DB migrations. The initial scripts are located in Base, Core Services, SDK.finance Core DB migrations. Flyway updates a database from one version to the next using migrations. For example, the module exchanger has a list of migrations related to the functionality implemented. It has an appropriate Flyway configuration. To define configurations in a new module, the following should be done. Add the migration script. Set up the Flyway configurations. Define the configuration bean. Define a Flyway configuration component for handling database migration specific to the appropriate module. In the class bank Flyway configuration, there is an example of dependency definition. It means that bank Flyway configuration requires bank catalog Flyway configuration, and the migrations for the bank module will be applied after applying migrations for the bank catalog module. In the SDK.finance Core Application, two databases are used: PostgreSQL as the operational database and MongoDB as the database for transaction viewing. There is a Flyway configuration bin Flyway config, which allows applying migrations created in Java classes, for example, MongoDB database migrations. These migrations should be defined as beans, extend base Java migration, and implement the migrate method. Spring Boot automatically detects Flyway and runs migrations at app startup, making it easy to use.